Sure, the salad comes with a soup. Would you like creamy, tomato, or minestrone?
Oh, I was making faces. Try again. Language learning can be easier if we use conversations and short stories. We'll be using the book Conversational Chinese Dialogues, written by Lingo Mastery.
Ordering dinner.
点餐
Hi, how are you?
Hi, 您好吗
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
我很好，谢谢。你呢
I'm great. Thanks for asking. What would you like to drink?
我很不错，谢谢您的问候。您想喝什么
Just water, please.
只要水
Okay, here's the menu. I'll be back for your water.
好的，这是菜单，我拿水给您，马上回来。
Thanks.
谢谢。
Here you go. Are you ready to order?
给您，您准备好点餐了吗
No, I need a couple more minutes.
没有，我还需要几分钟。
No problem. Take your time.
没问题，慢慢看。
3 minutes later.
3分钟后，
Do you need more time?
您还需要再看看吗
No, I'm ready.
不用，我选好了。
Perfect. What would you like?
很好，您想要什么
Can I have the spring greens salad with chicken?
我能要这个青菜鸡肉沙拉吗
Sure, the salad comes with a soup. Would you like creamy tomato or minestrone?
当然，沙拉有配汤，你想要奶油番茄汤还是意大利杂菜汤
Creamy tomato.
奶油番茄汤
Good choice. Would you like anything else?
品味真好，您还需要其他的吗
No, that's it.
不用了，就这些。
Great.
很好。
5 minutes later.
5分钟之后，
All right, here's your soup and salad.
好的，这是您的汤和沙拉，
Thank you.
谢谢你。
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
不客气，如果有其他需要，请叫我。
Okay.
好的。
15 minutes later.
15分钟之后，
Are you done with your meal?
请问用餐完毕了吗？
Yep.
是的。
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
您要看甜品菜单吗？
No, thanks. Just a check, please.
不用了，谢谢，请结账吧。
Of course. Here it is.
当然，这是您的账单。
Thank you.
谢谢你。当然，这是您的，账单。
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Hello. 水 water 水水菜单 menu 菜单菜单沙拉 salad 沙拉沙拉汤 soup 汤汤甜品 dessert 甜品甜品